What's up everybody? Logan here with Free Spirit. We're here today to break down and show you the proper way to open and close the hub series tents. We're going to start with this four-sided hub. Super simple process. We just want to make sure that you know exactly how to open it and close it to get it back in the bag. Alright, so this is the hub series when it is in its compressed state. Remember, this is the hub 4. It usually comes with a tightening strap, but we've already removed it all, taken it out of the bag, make things simpler. Starting the process, you're going to want to look for these big connector pieces. They almost look like feet. So we'll take these and orient them towards yourself. That way it's going to keep it in alignment. Spread it out a little bit. Grab this front and then just start pulling them back like so. And you want it to open up, right? You don't want it to get all twisted and turned. We'll start pulling the straps like so. Just start popping it. Pop that, move inside, push it up. So that's the opening process. It's pretty simple to do. Really where the confusion comes in is if you're closing it up and you don't fold it the correct position. You'll start by grabbing the interior piece and pulling it down, and then just work your way around. Now, if you do it correctly, it should just fold flat like this, and then you have this last little window that you push down. Grab the back corner of it and fold it up, and then over to the other corner. And that's going to get this in alignment so that you can then fold everything together. So then you move to the right, grab it, put it here, left, grab it, fold it over, and then I do a little bit of a roll up. Tighten it all up and you're done. Okay, so now that we've done the hub 4, let's go ahead and break down the hub 6. Super similar process, a little bit more sides to deal with. So we'll be folding out a few extra parts and pieces. Open it up like so. And on this one, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna fan the sides out because we do have extra sides. So you'll take this, kind of move it over here like so. Then you'll move to the right side, same kind of deal. Fold it out to the side. And once that's done, you'll notice that it's kind of in this triangular shape. We're gonna grab this center piece, fold it back over, and then start popping them into place. Remember to go in one direction all the way around the tent. That way it pops open properly. Once you get the last one, we're gonna go on inside and pop it up. And just like that, you're done. Okay, so closing it up is the exact same as the 4. We're gonna start with the interior. Once you've collapsed the last wall, remember we're gonna want to go diagonally. So we'll walk around the tent and start pulling both pieces into this triangular shape again. And then we'll take the sides and go ahead and put them in. Okay, so that's the procedure for both opening and closing the hub series tent. Remember to take it slow if you're having trouble. It can get out of alignment. You just push it back in and get it into the correct positioning. If you have any questions or concerns, we're always here to help. Don't hesitate to give us a call.